No credit history? No problem. Today, I will show you how to build credit from zero in the USA. These methods work for students, newcomers, and anyone starting fresh. Method 1. Get a secured credit card. You put down a deposit of $200 to $500. That becomes your credit limit. Use it for small purchases and pay the full balance every month. After 6 months, you will have a credit score. Method 2. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member with good credit to add you to their card. You do not need to use the card. Their payment history gets added to your credit report. This can give you a credit score in just 1 month. Method 3. Use a credit builder loan. Companies like Self offer small loans. You make monthly payments for 1 year. At the end, you get your money back and have a great credit score. No credit check required. Method 4. Report your rent payments. Services like Rent Reporters report your rent to credit bureaus. If you pay rent on time every month, this builds credit quickly. Pick one method and start today. A secured credit card is the easiest and fastest. After 6 months, apply for a regular credit card. Your score will be 700 or higher. Subscribe for more USA credit tips. Comment which method you will try first.